Who's my 21? Where are you now?
Margaritaville, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Finally.
Who's my 21? Where are you now?
Margaritaville, in front of the famous blown out flip-flop.
Who's my 21? Where are you now?
On Hollywood Broadwalk.
Who's my 21? What do you have there?
Wow! I have a big pineapple, frozen mango with some alcohol. Yummy.
Who's my 21? Where are you now?
Senor Frogs on Hollywood Broadwalk. Yummy.
Who's my 21? Where are they now?
Still on the Broadwalk. Sightseeing, seeing what the hell is going on down
Who's my 21? Where are you now?
Margaritaville at the pool. One of the pools at Margaritaville. And this one is the kids pool. But that's fine with me because I like.
Who's my 21? How are you feeling?
Hot.
What the hell?
It's very hot out here.
Oh, so you're not excited to be at Margaritaville?
Yes.
You don't look excited.
Very hot.
But there's nobody.
So that means I need to go in the pool.
Start good in the pool, man. What's wrong with you? Jump in the pool now.
Tonight, I want to go on the slide.
This drive's for children.
That's okay. I'm going to be a child when I go on the slide.
They're not gonna let you up there, boo.
Yeah, they will.
No, they're not. No, they're not. Adults are not allowed to go up the slide. It's for the children. Who's my 21? Where are you now?
Hollywood Beach Theater, listening to live music.
Guzman 21. Where are you now?
Avalanche Shark Restaurant, Margaritaville, Hollywood. Getting my good night snack. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bermuda Live on YouTube. Subscribe now.
Margaritaville at the pool. If I don't do anything else, I'm happy just being here at the pool.
Thanks for watching.